Welcome to UNV Academy. In this episode, we're going to talk about the second part of video wall function, including operations such as sequence resource, scene, and scene sequence, and then screen control. Let's get started. This is where we were in the last part. We've already created a video wall and set a scene. If you want to display a group of videos in one window, click on Sequence Resource tab, and then create a sequence. Type a name in the field. Select video channels as needed. Then click this arrow button. Selected cameras will be listed on the right side. We can adjust the sequence by clicking these up and down buttons. And then set sequence interval. The minimal interval is 10 seconds. Click OK to apply the settings. Then we drag this sequence to a window of this layout. This window will show video sequence we just set on the video wall. Now we click to save the changes. Then we'll talk about scene and scene sequence. Scene refers to video wall settings, including screen layout, videos, or video sequence. It allows you to quickly reopen the scene you saved. Scene sequence is to display different scenes in a sequence with a specified interval. Under Scene tab, this is the scene we just saved. We can also create a new scene. Input a name in the field. Then we will customize a new scene with the procedures that we've shown you in the last part. Select a window layout. Drag cameras to these windows. And save it as Scene 2. Now we've got two scenes. These scenes will be presented in a sequence on the screen one by one. The steps are quite similar to creating a sequence resource. Enter a name. Select scenes. And set interval with a minimum of 30 seconds. In addition, EZStation supports 24-hour plan. Enable the plan. And then set starting time of each scene, which must be different. Then the scenes will be automatically displayed on the video wall at the set time. You may add scenes repeatedly as needed. After setting the operation, let's click on the Screen Control tab where you can turn on or off screens. Before you operate on the client, make sure the screen, the power distribution box, and the server are properly connected. We will configure the serial port and protocol in accordance with the decoding device model and screen type. Then we can set time to turn on or off the screen automatically. Of course, it is allowed to turn on or off the screen immediately when we click turn on or off screen buttons. There is another option. We can set time to turn off the screen with a delay. That's all for today's learning. Hope this will be helpful to you. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.